Hello, this is Will from JourneyToWallStreet.com. I'm here to do a video commentary of the day trades I made on February 7th. This is the first 30 minutes of the trading day. So this is about 1 minute before the open, and I'm just trying to set up my charts right now. I had it set up previously, but I had to close and reopen my light speed because the screen got all resized. But my ideas from last night or the night before, was in Netflix, Tesla, ALXN, QYXU, YY, GD, and MKC. But based off the pre-market action, I wanted to focus on Netflix and Tesla since they are above my levels in the pre-market and there is some volume happening. So as you can see here, I'm just kind of verifying my levels that I drew last night and kind of have a little game plan going on in my head right now. And here we go, that's the opening print right there. I'm kind of testing my orders here. Just sometimes my first order doesn't go in because if I get locked out from the previous day, which I did. As you can tell, I'm not in a real hurry to just dive in right away. I'm kind of waiting for the stocks to pick a direction, see how they are against my levels, and then make a decision whether or not I want to jump in or not. So my alerts are kind of late. Really should have triggered a minute and a half ago since it gapped up. You can tell they're all really close to my levels by that blue line right there. So I'm kind of waiting just to see what's going to happen. Is it going to bounce from there, or is it going to have a pullback? Is it going to fade against that level? Overall, the SPYs are bullish, gapped up. So you got to have a bullish bias right now, especially because these are all above key levels. So there's me testing the order, trying to bid 156, but I'm not going to get that. So I pulled it. Actually, if I was patient enough, I probably would have been able to get it. Again, no hurry to jump into anything. So at this point, Netflix started to look nice because a little bit of a pullback here, green bar, and this is when I wanted to drill down just to make sure I'm seeing what I'm seeing. So I'm drilling down to the 1 minute to kind of get a better look. Okay, moving averages are coming into play there. Just taking a look at the price levels where a potential entry and stop would be. Kind of formulating my game plan now. Okay, that looks really nice to me. Looks like a little pullback. So here I'm thinking I want it. I like it, but I'm not quite ready to get it yet. Still waiting. Thanks for that alert. A little bit late. 5 minutes late. And I really like it here, so I'm going to try to make a bid for it. But immediately it kind of jumped up. So if I really wanted it, I had to get aggressive. It's no other choice. So I try to buy ALXN too, because kind of like that pullback. Kind of paid for it a little bit too high, but I felt like if I wanted to get it, I had to get it then. Same thing here with Netflix, so now I'm in. And of course, gotta set your stop. I really should know where I'm gonna put my stop before I get in, but you saw me checking that low of the candle. So I just put it a little bit below it, just in case it sprays down a bit. Gave it an extra 30 cents cushion. So you look at this GD alert. I just got it, and look how far it's been. Almost a 0.50 away from my alert level. Yeah, so now I'm really tempted to hit this flag, but I mean, it's a 0.50 away from where I wanted to get it, so I had to let this one go. But oh, it was so tempting. So not much else to do except let these stocks just let the charts do all the work. And there there's a little nice push on Netflix. I really should have bought at that high on Netflix, and this is when I realized it. Right there. It's like, oh, I should have hit a high, but I didn't. I mean, maybe I was thrown off by the pre-market prices, or maybe I just wasn't thinking about it at the time. Yeah, I'm just looking at GD again. Like, yeah, I could have got that, but it's too late. Now Tesla. Now this is starting to get interesting. Basically, a pullback play on the 2-minute chart. Right tail right at the EMAs. Looks pretty good. I see my entry level of right there of 180.50. So I would make a bid at a buy trigger at 180.51. And there I'm in. So I'm risking about a little bit under a point, a little bit over a point on that, which is okay with me. And fast forward it just a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. So at this point in Netflix, very nice looking pullback here. A little bit of a flag there, but I'm not sure why I didn't take it. Excuse me. But here in Tesla, sort of a same bit of a flag. Yeah, I was really thinking about it, but I was kind of like, is this too soon? I, I just, yeah, I wasn't sure at that time. But then I kind of like the way Tesla was a little bit of a flag right there after the pullback setup. So I kind of liked it above 181. So I set my buy trigger 181.01. Yeah, I mean, look at Netflix right here. That would have been perfect buy right there. But I was too focused on trying to get in this. And right there, man, do it. Do it. Right there, go, go. Yeah, you're thinking about it. Thinking about it. Nope, he didn't do it. He's thinking about it again. You know you want it. Nope. Still got a chance. Still got a chance. And right here you see Tesla triggered. It's hell right here too. Gotta set your stops. So I put my stop kind of right here-ish. Just for that lot. And now I go back to Netflix kicking myself because I should have done it. Yep, I'm thinking about that high too, but I already had it, so I didn't really need to look over there. High was 181.83. I mean, fast forward a little bit more, nothing really happens for a little while. Alright, so at this point, I kind of know that 183 is going to be a level. There's also a pre-market level here. And you just gotta make note of these things. This was my short candidate, but it actually turned out pretty well. I was looking at LinkedIn at the 2050 because that was after hours earning level. Yep, kicking myself for not adding again. Right there. Yep. It's okay though. Next time, just gotta be a bit more aggressive and be okay to add there. If not, a break of the high at 414 there. Gotta do it here. Lesson learned. Fast forward just a little bit more. So now I'm thinking, okay, is this my chance with Netflix? Is this the pullback I wanted? I think I might have gotten up, went to the bathroom at this point because I'm not doing anything here. There, I'm back. So Netflix here, another flag. Is this my opportunity? Considering it. I'm looking at the highs, buy through the highs. Do it. Do it. You want it. Do it here. Get it. Get it. Oh, you better hurry. Better hurry. You're gonna miss it. Really thinking about it. Really thinking about it. Oh, and he can't afford it. Oh, he can't afford it. Too bad, sucker. Alright, he has to lower his tier size. He has to buy 50 shares. There he goes. He could afford 50 shares. Could have bought it like dollar earlier if he was quicker. But that turned out to be a bad ad. Later on, if you see my print review, you're gonna see 5 consecutive green candles, and I basically bought where I would normally trim on the 5-minute chart. So that was a bad ad. I mean, good thing is only 50 shares, but it's just that disconnect between the 2-minute chart and the 5-minute chart I need to work on. And I think that's really the rest of my transactions. So what's going to happen is Tesla is actually going to fail here and it's going to trail me out. Netflix is actually going to pull back, and then also trail me out, but I would jump right back in. ALXN, I also got trailed out really early, and eventually it would have jumped another 4 or 5 points, and I would miss this trade. But Tesla, I would get back in on a cup and handle. Netflix, I would ride it till pretty much the close or an hour before the close. And overall, it was a good day. But as you can see, I'm not really that super active in the mornings. I'm kind of just like a wait and see. Yeah, I'm only doing 100 shares, 150 shares, 200 shares max, but I'm still trying to focus on rules and execution, decision making. A lot of things I need to work on, such as like not taking these trades, letting my trails take me out too soon before my original idea was able to play out. But overall, it was a positive day, positive experience, and hopefully I can do more of these type of reviews in the future. Okay, thank you for watching, and then see you guys soon.